Nick, you look so good.
Don't you think it's strange that there's a way of how you looked and how you act and how you think? Pretend they're not the same as you. Don't you think it's strange that there's a way of how you looked and how you act and how you think, and pretend they're not the same as you? Do you know about his strength and convictions, or how she puts all her faith in religion? Did we take the time to really discover how little we know about each other? Keep us from saying anything, can't separate from everything. Yeah, and all this really means is you're one in a crowd and you're paranoid of every sound. You're another friend you won't miss anyhow.
Inflatable pool full of dad's hot air. Well, I was 3 years old, splashing everywhere, and so began my love affair with water. On the riverbank with all my friends, a big old rope tied to land, and you're a big old wuss if you don't jump in the water. Yeah, when that summer sun starts to beat down